Isabel. Ah, look at that pretty girl.
Okay.
He's awake. Look at that gorgeous boy.
Fascinated with his
Oh, his pacifier.
With that one. Right there.
Okay.
Come on, Bobby. Sit down with Mama.
Scary thing.
Oh, ooh, look at that.
Sit. Nope. No, stairs already.
Hey. Sit.
Sit.
I was trying to do the same.
Oh, happy birthday, wild thing. So glad to be here for your wild party. Can't believe you are one, you cutie.
Oh, that's from Heather. Say thank you, Heather. I don't think that's it. Yeah, okay.
This is it.
He really likes you.
You'll have to show her how to rip paper open.
Hey, come here.
You're gonna like this thing.
Isabella.
Isabella, you're gonna like ripping.
Oh yeah, beat the floor.
Isabella.
Oh. Oh, did Daddy break it? Keep helping her. Oh. Oh. What was that, Earl? Did you hear something? Oh, look what you got. Oh, cute.
Dynamite
Daisy. Is that a bug? A VW?
Maybe it is. I don't know.
Oh, cute.
The lady at the learning tree or whatever thought that, wow, toys are awesome. I don't know exactly why.
I haven't either. Cool.
She tells that I'm learning. Isn't that where that is?
Yeah.
Okay, I've been in.
Yeah.
What is that? What's that phone?
Oh, she's gonna love it.
Oh, yeah.
Say thank you, Heather. You have to give Heather kisses later. Maybe some clean kisses.
Thank you. You're welcome. You little cutie.
What you got, Isabella? Look at Greggy.
Or the phones.
Hi, chickadee.
We have a lot of those play phones. Even like my
He's watching. Look at that. Oh. Oh.
Friction powered sports car.
That's what we wanted.
It is.
We looked forever at the Toys R Us.
Oh, really?
We found one.
That must be why the lady
but-
liked it. People must like the friction.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Well, Brian, let's open the rest while we're on the video thing, and then we'll play with them.
Okay.
Okay.